Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some affordable ways that you can update your dated home without remodeling. If you want to refresh your space, maybe you moved into a home that's pretty dated but you're not ready for a full renovation, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, let's start out with a bathroom design trick that you can use to elevate your dated bathroom. There are many different elements to a bathroom that can date your space, but one specific thing is a shower curtain. Shower curtains are completely fine, but the positioning of your shower curtain can be dating your space. If you have a shower bath combo, raise your curtain rod from standard height to an elevated height. This can be as close as you can get to the ceiling. You can even do a ceiling mounted rod, and you're gonna have to use an extra long shower curtain. I'll have a few linked down below that I suggest, but this is going to elevate your space instantly. It's gonna make your bathroom look larger. It's going to disguise any kind of dated element that's inside of your shower bath combo. I would also suggest just keeping that shower curtain just a little bit more neutral. Less pattern, less color. That's gonna give you more of a timeless look. It's gonna look a little bit more expensive, and it gets you away from the graphic patterns that tend to date really quickly. Depending on the look you want to achieve, you can even consider getting 2 shower curtain panels so that you have one on either side. This is going to create more of a decorative look. Of course, there's a bunch of different affordable things that you can do to refresh your bathroom, like painting tile, painting your cabinets, switching hardware, switching your faucet. But if you don't want to do any of those things and you're just looking for one easy fix, I would say raise that shower curtain up and you'll end up with a more elevated look. Now, there are a few differences when it comes to floor plan design of newer homes versus older homes. There are spaces in newer home floor plans that just don't exist in older homes. You can implement these spaces into your older home to update the look and feel of it without knocking down any walls. An example of this would be a mudroom. Newer home designs do implement a lot of mudrooms. They're functional, they have storage built in, they're a great drop-off point. A lot of older homes may not have this. You can implement this into your older home just by bringing in or building your own. You can do this against a wall in your hallway, you can do this by your entryway or your garage entry. It can have hooks and cubbies and benches and storage, everything that you need in more of a minimal way without knocking down any walls. You can also do the same thing by changing functions of existing rooms. So usually in older homes, your front room is your formal sitting room. Some people don't use those at all anymore, so you can definitely change that into a home office. Home offices are definitely found in more modern floor plan designs, so if you want to implement that same kind of modern feel in your home, change up the function of that front space and make it a home office that's going to function for you. You can add doors to the entryway, you can set up your space with new furniture and really create your own functional home office. You don't have to knock any walls down or change up your floor plan to create these spaces. Change the functionality of your home to really suit your needs, and it's going to make it feel so much more updated. Now, a mini kitchen renovation trick that you can use in your dated kitchen is simply removing your upper cabinets. I know this may be controversial, but when you walk into your kitchen, the first thing you normally see are all of your upper cabinets. And if they are already really dated, maybe they're bulky, maybe the design of it is just completely dating your space, removing them would be the best choice to modernize your kitchen. There's less attention on your lower cabinets, so if you could modernize from your countertops up, it would change the look of your kitchen. And of course, I always recommend keeping those cabinets and moving them to a different area of your home to add storage. That could be a laundry room, that could be your garage. They're very, very useful, so absolutely keep them. You can always paint your lower cabinets to modernize your kitchen, but by removing the top, you'll end up with a more open, large, bright space, and you can install a more modern backsplash, you can hang art, you can hang lighting, and it will definitely modernize your kitchen. You will be losing some storage by doing this, so it's definitely not for everyone. Not every kitchen can handle this kind of change, but if you're updating a small space, a short-term rental, that you don't need so much storage, this would definitely be a good choice to refresh that space. Now, one design element that almost every up-to-date modern kitchen has is a kitchen island. I think you can add a mobile kitchen island to your dated kitchen to make it look and feel a little bit more modern in its functionality and style. Now, of course, this is not going to work for every space. There may not be any room for a kitchen island in your space, but if you do have room for it, if your kitchen is large with a very empty middle, or if you have one whole wall of kitchen, then you can absolutely bring in a mobile island. You can get an even larger look as well by bringing in 2 kitchen islands, because a lot of the mobile ones are a little bit smaller in size. So bring in 2, put them together, attach them for a large expansive look. This is going to allow you to potentially add countertop stools, storage, functional cooking space, decorative space. It's absolutely an element in a kitchen that will make your dated space look and feel more modern. You can also paint these islands to really blend in with your existing kitchen design so that it makes it look like it was always there. So again, I'll link some of my favorite mobile kitchen islands down below. Not all of them are on wheels. I actually prefer when they're not on wheels so they look a little bit more built in. So it's not always about changing all of those dated pieces in your kitchen. You can bring in a modern element like a kitchen island to get that modern feel and functionality. You may not be ready to update and renovate the inside of your home, but maybe starting with the outside might be more exciting to you. One thing you can do is paint your exterior, and it will make for a dramatic transformation. I think this really creates a modern, refreshed feel and may inspire you to continue that refresh into your home. I love the look of painted exteriors. I love the transformation that they can make on siding and stone and brick. It just is completely dramatic. You can make your home stand out in your neighborhood. And again, this doesn't take any kind of demolition or renovation. It's simply a paint job. So you can do this yourself depending on your home design and your home size, or you can hire this out. Of course, if your home is already painted, you can refresh it with the exact same paint colors to give it a new, fresh look, or you can totally change up the design by changing up the paint colors. This could be painting shutters, painting windows, painting brick, siding, even your front door. You can create a whole new design style just with paint. If you've already refreshed your walls with a new coat of paint, you can now move on to your window trim and mullions. If you have dated window trim and mullions, it might make your entire home look really dated. And just by giving them a little bit of a refresh with paint, you can change the look of your home instantly. I love the look of black windows. I think they really stand out, and there's so much good contrast you can create in your home with black windows. So if you have wood windows right now, maybe they're white and they're not really adding any kind of design element to your home, paint them black. You can do this very quickly with spray paint, but it's going to make for maybe a messier job. You're gonna have to tarp a lot off and use a lot of tape, or you can use masking paint that peels right off your window. So you add the masking paint to your window so you can freely brush on that paint without worrying about getting it all over the window. Once this dries, it peels right off and it pretty much acts like tape. So again, this is one of those in-between, almost temporary design choices that you can make before you go and buy brand new windows. It really allows you to play around with your design choices before you commit to brand new windows. If you are thinking about going in a black window direction, maybe paint your old windows first, and that will give you a better idea if you love the look of it in your home. Now, a lot of dated, specifically builder grade homes don't have a ton of built-ins, and built-ins can elevate your space. They can really add a custom feel that make your home look more modern. So there are a ton of missed opportunities out there when it comes to bay windows or just regular windows around your home. You can frame those out and build in some seating and some shelving and storage to really create a designer custom feel in your builder grade home. So look for opportunities like this around your space. I love the look of a little reading nook by a window, just a simple bench. You can also build these out yourself with just some cabinets, even IKEA cabinets. Get a nice cushion made and you got yourself a little seating space. You can do these in your living room, bedroom, dining room, even the landing of your stairs. There's so many moments like this that you can create around your home that are really going to make your entire space look and feel more up to date. This can take your space from a standard square to a more dimensional shape and design by bringing in this built-in element. If you're living in a 2-story home, your staircase might be the thing that's really dating your home. One thing I really love leaning into is a staircase runner. I think you can add some modern carpet, a really graphic design, a punch of color with a staircase runner. If you have an old wood staircase and the wood treads aren't in the best condition, you can temporarily cover that with a gorgeous runner. If your home really is old and dated, there's things that you actually should lean into, and this classic design element is definitely one of them. If you are living in an older home with a beautiful old staircase that's just not looking the best right now, this could be the easy DIY thing that you could do to take it to the next level and make it look refreshed. This is something you can do on your own or get installed professionally, but it definitely makes a huge difference and adds such an exciting design element to your home. So before you think about changing out the spindles and removing the railing and doing a completely different style, maybe start small with some paint, stain, and a staircase runner. And of course, one of the easiest things you can do to update the look of your home is change your light fixtures. If you walk into your home right now and see some ceiling fans and fluorescent lights in the kitchen, they need to go. Fluorescent lights are the #1 thing that's definitely dating your kitchen or any space around your home. You need to change them to a more up-to-date fixture. It's usually going to brighten up your home. It really adds to the design element of whatever furniture you choose, and you can lean into a design direction through lighting. Your light fixtures can call a ton of attention to them if they are really dated or if they're brand new. So if you update your light fixtures, all the attention's going to be towards that beautiful piece. Those could be pendant lights, bathroom lights, your outdoor lights, your chandeliers. Changing up your lighting will make such a huge difference. So it's absolutely one of the first things that you should do when you're trying to update your dated space. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas that you can start using in your home. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these design ideas do you think would make the biggest impact in your space. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!